My evenings are dedicated to cultural and intellectual pursuits. After a long day, I find solace in exploring the world of art, literature, and knowledge. I often visit art exhibitions and galleries in the evening. The soft lighting enhances the beauty of the artworks, and I can appreciate them in peace. I take my time to analyze the brushstrokes and interpretations behind each masterpiece. Literature is another passion of mine. I read novels, poetry, and philosophical works in the tranquil hours of the evening. The quietude allows me to immerse myself in the words of great authors and thinkers. On some evenings, I attend lectures and discussions on various topics. It's a chance to expand my horizons and engage in intellectual discourse. These events are not only informative but also inspiring. My evenings dedicated to cultural and intellectual pursuits provide a sense of fulfillment and connection with the world. They are a reminder that learning and creativity are lifelong endeavors that enrich the soul.